quite possibly could be the perfect home for you. We are just steps away from Fort Lauderdale Beach, and this 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom home is amazing. Upon entering the home, you will find that it's been updated with a modern coastal design. On the first floor, you will see that this home was designed for an entertainer with multiple living rooms and dining rooms. And check out this master suite. This spacious room speaks for itself. When we said steps away from the beach, we meant it.